Dumpster rental, Dickinson, Texas. Need a dumpster rental service in Dickinson, Texas? Texas Roll-Off is here to help. We offer a wide selection of dumpster sizes to handle waste from any project, big or small. We're equipped to make cleanup more manageable, from home renovations to construction debris. Our team understands that your time is valuable, so we provide fast delivery and hassle-free pickups. You can count on us to deliver exactly what you need, exactly when you need it. With Texas Roll-Off, waste disposal is no longer a headache, it's a smooth, seamless experience. We're committed to keeping Dickinson clean and efficient with our top-rated services. Let us take the stress out of managing your project's waste so you can focus on completing it. Call 409-941-9820 today to book your dumpster and experience the difference. At Texas Roll-Off, we take pride in serving Dickinson with excellent service and affordable rates. Simplify your project with Texas Roll-Off, your trusted partner in waste management.